Hey guys, we just got a blue diamond break and retest. I'm in the 688 call. I got in at 1.14, and now I'm looking at the active trader 1.14. It's already up to 1.24. I'm going to move my stop to the break even. Just go like this. Actually, 1.26. I'm going to try to take it. Alright, so 1.27, I'm out. I already have my stop at 1.14, and going to move both the limit and stop with it. 1.2, slight profit on the stop. As it moves up, I'm going to move the stop and the limit up. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do. So I'm already in a profitable trade. 1.14 to 1.29. Two of the contracts, I have one left where I'd stop out at 1.22. So I can't lose on this. Let's see what happens. Or 1.26. If we get around 1.35, I'll probably move my stop up to 1.3 or so. I might stop out here. Really close, but it's fine if it stops out. I might have moved my first two contracts in limit order a little bit quick there, because that's a $15 gain. 15 over 114. That's decent. It's still 13% on the two contracts. Just move with it. Keep locking in a little bit more profit on the stop. I'm looking for around 1.35, and then I'll move my stop to around 1.3. It's close enough. Sure. And I'm at 1.3. 1.29, good enough. That's pretty much the same as the stop. That runner might have been a little bit too tight on the stop. I'm still okay with it. Hope that helps, guys, and I'll see you guys around.